Okay, so we're on board another ship here. I had some pictures of this piece of shit elevator before. Check out the buffers. But last time I was here, the safeties didn't work at all. They wouldn't grab the rail right there. So I drilled this, put in a new pin, had them working perfect. But you see the shaving there. You can see some over there. Apparently the last like 8 inches of travel here, it's rubbing the rail. So let me get over to the machine room side on the other side there. Okay, so we're just upstairs. I just wanted to try it while I ran it, right? It's quite a bit of travel. As you can see, the door is better lined up here. There's all the drive and stuff like that up there. Quite the setup here. It's a little rough, but there's your gate switch, right? Let's take it down. I don't know if you guys will be able to hear it, but we'll listen to see if we can hear it anyways. And then I'm gonna head over to the machine room. I don't know how far it is. Oh yeah, you can hear it. Okay, there's the controller. That's, you know, the disconnect, the main contactors and stuff are in there. The traveling cable is on this like a retractable reel here. There's your governor. So you can see here, there's your safeties. Now, I could have swore I left those out about a 1/4 inch. I'm not sure if I give it a pull, if they'll come back, right? They're not the easiest things to move. But the idea is, here's the arm that activates it, right? I'm gonna drop this down, which should give us a little bit more room there. And we should be laughing. They got these sweet cardboard buffers here for when the brakes start sliding too much. That's how they tell, and they go up to the top and adjust it. But let me make a small adjustment here and we'll check it out. And of course we'll have to try the safeties out before we leave. Okay.